We're here today in Circleville, Ohio at 4270 Hickory Bend Road here in the lovely community of Circleville, famous for the Circleville Pumpkin Festival. I'm sitting here on the front porch and it's so peaceful. No traffic going by. I can hear the birds chirping. It's just beautiful out here with the sprawling farmlands. Let's go inside and see what this farmhouse has to offer. We're inside now this quaint, beautiful farmhouse. We're in the middle of the living area, the entertainment space, and we have this beautiful cathedral ceiling with the loft above. We have the bedroom and bathroom upstairs, the owner's suite. And as we move this way into the kitchen, we have this nice kitchen with a dining space here, and just beyond the dining space is the bedroom and another full bathroom. But you know what? As much as this house seems to have so much more space than you would think, we need to go outside, look at the property, and go check out that beautiful structure that's out back. I know I said when we were inside that we're going to go see this beautiful structure that's over here, but you know what? Before we go inside, I just wanted you to take a look at the property. This 1.8 acres, as I said before, is great entertainment space for outside during the nice weather. We also have this great fire pit right here. Just imagine sitting out here at night with the fire as you're just listening to the quiet of the countryside. And you know what? Now I think it's time that we can go inside and see this place. Now that we're inside here, I wanted to show you this space. It's gigantic space here. It's 2,400 square feet. It's got 3 garage bays, 1 10-foot door. You could probably put 6, 7 cars in here. You could use this space, it's a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want. As you can see, they use it as a gym. They have their home gym here, and they have a woodworking center over here, and a lot of storage. The great thing about this place is what's up top here that we're gonna go look at right now. Here we are, I'm bellied up to the bar in this great space that they've included up here in the pole barn. It's heated, it's air conditioned, it's got this great bar, it's got card table, it's got TVs. You can do so many things with this space for entertaining. It's even got more storage back here. This is a great place to have as a man cave or a woman cave, whatever your choice. But it's awesome. I love it. Well, here we are again, back on the front porch. I had to come here one more time before we left. It's so peaceful and quiet, and I just love looking at the view over here. It's wonderful. I love looking at the farmland and the woods. You know what? You need to come check this out too. So why don't you come out, see the house at 4270 Hickory Bend Road in Circleville, watch our Mad Report online, and visit us on Facebook. Have a good one.